I want to benchmark my hardware, but I'm either too lazy or too smart to constantly install and uninstall whatever parts I deem worthy. Enter the bright idea of getting an open air test bench. Only problem is, I'm not about to spend any money for this today. However, I still want that bench. So, with a few hours, tools, and some repurposed hardware, I found an elegant, if not price-conscious, solution. The PowerSpec G700 was my first pre-built PC. Since then, I've migrated cases a few times and I had the original shell waiting to be used, but as is, the case was way too bulky, so I had to chop it down a few rivets. Eventually, I realized the motherboard tray was just the right width to fit on the base I wanted to use, an old 6-cube organizer from Walmart. So, with a few zip ties and brackets that didn't fit for an overhead camera I used for streaming back when I thought I was the next Daquan, I secured it to the base. The next thing about benchmarking on a test bench is the test itself, which is rendered useless without being installed on a hard drive. But I didn't want my hard drives just flopping around. Plus, I'm not spending any money, so a new NVMe is out of the question. Enter mounting the 3.5-inch hard drive cage. Hands down, my favorite physical storage solution for drives, so we chopped it out of the case too and secured it to the base. Now, the test bench just needs the necessary hardware, power, and we're good to go. Wait a minute. I'm still missing some key peripherals, namely a keyboard, a mouse, monitor, Ethernet, and power switch. While killing 4 birds with 1 stone is both heinous and miraculous, I found a way to do that by having an Ethernet cord. By using remote access, I can control the test bench from my main rig, and with the additional HDMI input on my monitor, I have one close if I ever need it. But wait, what about the power switch? Ah, yes. I turn it on with a screwdriver. Don't at me. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you liked what you saw, consider subscribing, leaving a like and a comment. It really helps the channel out. This is Ali Oxen, All Things PC.